Hello friends, you are all welcome once again to Olympiad mathematics class. So our last exercise is 4x raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 17 plus x. So we have to find the value of x. So we are first going to simplify the right side of equal sign, that is 4 raised to power 17 plus x, using the law of indices. Then that will now give us 4x raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 17 times 4 raised to power x. If we simplify 4 raised to power 17 times 4 raised to power x using the law of indices, we still arrive at 4 raised to power 17 plus x. Since they have the same base, the multiplication changes to addition in the power. So now we are going to divide both sides by 4 raised to power x. So we divide both sides by 4 raised to power x. At the right side, 4 raised to power x will cancel 4 raised to power x. So we have 4 raised to power 17 left. Then at the left side of equal sign, we have 4 raised to power 4x raised to power x, then divided by 4 raised to power x. Now the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by 4. Now if we divide both sides by 4, we have 4x raised to power x over 4 times 4 raised to power x. That 4 is the 4 we're using to divide. The other side then equals 4 raised to power 17 divided by 4. So the 4 will cancel 4 beside x raised to power x, the coefficient of x raised to power x. So we now have x raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 17 all over 4. So now we can just factor out the power x at the left side of equal sign, since they both have the numerator and the denominator both have power x. So we now have x over 4 into bracket raised to power x over 4 or into bracket raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 17. Then we change that over to division, that is divided by 4. Over and division are the same, so divided by 4. Then we can now use law of indices again for that right side, since we have both 4 as the base. 4 raised to power 17 divided by 4 raised to power 1. Then we take one of the bases, that was 4. Then we change division to minus in the power, so we have 4 raised to power 17 minus 1. So we now have x over 4 into bracket raised to power x equals 4 raised to power 17 minus 1, which we now have x over 4 into bracket raised to power x equal 4 raised to power 16. That is 17 minus 1 is 16. So we can divide both powers by 4. If we divide both powers by 4, we have the power at the left side to be x. So divided by 4, that will give us x over 4 raised to power, all raised to power x over 4 again, equals 4 raised to power 16, then divided by 4. So what we have now is, since we have 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. So we now have x over 4 raised to power x over 4 equals 4 raised to power 4. Now since we have both same power, the powers and the base are the same at the left side and right side of equal sign, we can equate the power of the base now. So we have x over 4 equals 4. Cross multiply, s equals 16. Our next exercises will be 1. If 2n raised to power n square minus 1 equals 1, find n. 2. If 4 raised to power a equals 9 and 9 raised to power b equals 256, find a, b. Don't forget to click the notification subscription and like button and to share the video with your friends to meet next class. Thank you.